Good afternoon, children. Today's foundation subject is going to be geography. Now, our topic for this term is looking at a local study, and we're going to be looking at Tunbridge. But for today's lesson, we're going to do a recap on the 7 continents and the 5 oceans that are on the planet Earth. To begin with, we're going to be looking at the continents. Now, the first continent we're going to be looking at is Africa, and here is Africa in the middle of our world map. And Africa is the 2nd largest continent in the world. The next continent we're going to be looking at is Antarctica. Now, this continent is at the South Pole, and it is almost entirely covered in ice. An interesting fact about Antarctica: there are no countries in this continent, whereas the other 6 do. The next continent we will be looking at is Asia, which is in the top right of your world map, and this is the largest continent in the world, and it covers 1/3 of the whole land mass on planet Earth. This continent down here, Australia, also known as Oceania or Australasia, is the smallest continent in the world. It's made up of this land mass here, but also other islands located around. This island here is New Zealand, another famous country in the continent of Australia or Australasia. The next continent we're going to be looking at is Europe. Now, Europe is where we live, and this is the United Kingdom right there. And Europe is the 2nd smallest continent, with Australia being the smallest. But even though this is the 2nd smallest continent, it has 1/4 of the world's population. Next continent we'll be looking at is North America. Now, North America is the 3rd largest continent, and there are countries such as the United States of America, Canada, and Mexico can be found in this continent. And the last continent we'll be looking at is South America. And South America is here. South America is the 4th largest continent in the world, and it's connected to North America. So they are your 7 continents of the world. We'll go through them again: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, also known as Australasia or Oceania, Europe, North America, South America. We're now going to look at the 5 oceans. We've got the Pacific Ocean. Now, as you can see on this world map, you've got it labels Pacific Ocean here and Pacific Ocean here. That's because the Earth is a spherical shape. So the Pacific Ocean is on this side, on the west side of North America and South America, and on the east side of Asia and Australasia. This is the largest ocean in the world. The Atlantic Ocean is here, and the Atlantic Ocean is next to the United Kingdom. There's parts of the Atlantic Ocean that meet the United Kingdom. Below Asia and to the east of Africa and the west of Australasia, we have the Indian Ocean. At the bottom here, we have the Southern Ocean. Quite an easy one to remember because it's got the word south in it. And if we have our compass, we have north, east, south, west. So the Southern Ocean. And the last ocean we'll be looking at is the Arctic Ocean. So they are, and this is next to the Arctic, which is North Pole, but is not a continent. So just a recap of the 5 oceans: we've got the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Today's learning will be on Purple Mash. when you need to log on and you need to label the diagram with the labels given on the 7 continents and the 5 oceans. An additional task which can be found on the worksheet that has been sent to you, I would like you to find 3 countries that can be located in each continent. So 3 countries that are in Europe, Asia, Africa, Australasia, North America and South America. Remember, there are no countries in Antarctica. You can rewatch this video as many times as you like, pause it to help you with the answers for the questions on Purple Mash. Best of luck.